Hello guys, welcome to Techkibay YouTube channel, the home of technology and entertainment. We give you all the top hard tech tips with lots of entertainment. Trust me guys, we're going to show you how to make this money online. Kindly hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also the like button to like this video. More so, kindly visit our website on www.techkibay.com for more updates. Thank you so much. We love you. Hello guys, welcome back to Techkibay YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn the King token for free. And guys, this strategy is working very effectively, and I want you to pay attention to this video so there can be earning free King tokens every 30 minutes. So kindly pay attention to this video so you can actually understand every bit of it and every part of the instruction I'm going to give you. So by the time you start practicing it on your own, you will be able to get your free King coins without having any issues at all. So here you search about peer bet on your Play Store, guys. Search for peer bet. Alright, here if you haven't downloaded the app, you just click on the download button to download it. And if you already have it, guys, just click play. So it's logging in. Okay, here I already have 115 King coins. So we click on the coin here, click on the balance here, then now click on N King. Okay, so after doing that, guys, you can click on tap to collect 25 King. Alright guys, you can see that awesome, you earn 25 King, come back later to earn more. Okay, that means I've just gotten 25 King coins and it has reflected on my balance. You know, this was 115 before, right now it is 140, guys. So that is it. Then go to my wallet. So what I have here, a total balance of 140 King coins, guys. And if I want to transfer my King, I will click on send King. You know, I put my alright, let's go to Trust Wallet. Let's go to Trust Wallet, guys. So right here, I already have 330 King, okay? 330 King, guys. You now click on receive. I copy my address and I paste it here. Okay, already say enter amount to send. What I want to send is 140 King coins, and here I paste the address I just copied from Trust Wallet, guys. And right now we now click on send. Alright, say great King sent, guys. My balance is now 0, so you go to Trust Wallet to wait for the King coin to reflect. Remember, what you have here is 330 King, so you keep refreshing for the King coin to appear. Alright guys, it just happened in your front, guys. It just happened in your front, and I received a notification from Trust Wallet that I received 440. You guys can see that we received 140 King from this wallet address, and you guys can actually see that this is a live video. This is a live video, guys, and this is my wallet address. That's it. Yes, I just received 470. I just received 140 King, giving me a balance of 470 King coins. Alright guys, that is it for today. Kindly hit the subscribe button, share, like, and click the notification button too, so you can always receive my updates or notifications whenever I upload a new video. Guys, see you next time.